In England alone, the number of COVID patients in hospitals has increased, with most of the country already under extreme measures, that we need to do more. In England, we must therefore go into a national lockdown, which is tough enough to contain this variant.
So in the UK, we're currently in lockdown number 3. The last lockdown, well, the lockdown that started in March, which was lockdown number 1, I decided to grow out my beard.
I'm pretty excited to be starting sort of another beard growing journey.
I didn't last. Back then as well, I decided I was going to grow my hair out a bit longer and ended up shaving it off. I think that was just like the quarantine cut. I think it was something everyone had to do, and it looked awful. It was awful, and I had a really short beard because I think I just got bored. I think so many people went through it. They kind of either grew stuff out really long or grew stuff out to a point and then went all the way back. I was definitely the latter of the two. However, this time around, I wanted to do things a little bit differently, and I decided to grow my beard back out massively. I kind of spoke about it in my beard plans of 2021 video. You should definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. I think the beard's already got a good amount of length to it. Why is this good for you? It's because I get to bring you along on that journey. And I just kind of wanted to go through a few things that I've been working on to get my beard growth as good as possible. And yes, CD hypenthesis here, because I know, as well as anyone, that there's no magical formula to growing your beard out. So many guys always ask for how to grow a beard out, how do I get my beard to grow faster? There's like very simple answers. If you want to grow your beard out, you let it grow out. If you want to grow your beard faster, well, you might as well pray, because there's no way that you can make your beard suddenly grow fast. There's no beard oil, beard balm, beard butter. There's no products that are going to enhance beard growth. Like I think there's very limited evidence on things like minoxidil or biotin to show that they make a significant difference or even any difference. Like you can read in places where they will say that they do enhance growth, and you'll see other places say that any enhancement is almost negligible. So for me, if you're blessed enough to be able to grow a beard out that is healthy, that's a good start. If you've been luckier and you've got a beard that follows my 3 tips for the perfect beard, then all I say is you're even more lucky. I was gonna say luckier, even more lucky. I think luckier is better. Like if you can have a beard that's got a good structure to it, a good shape to it, and you can grow an awesome mustache, you're a very lucky person. But there are a few things I've been doing. I've been ensuring that my beard is oiled a lot more. Like I'm quite lazy with my beard most days. Like I'll just rinse it through with water, and I might just put a bit of oil on or balm on. But a lot of the time in the morning, I'm in such a rush, I kind of forget. But I've been really focusing on getting my routine as good as possible. And more so for my skin. Like my skin under my beard has been suffering a lot in the colder weather lately. And I really want to make sure that I'm protecting it more so than anything else. Because if your skin starts to get irritable or dry or flaky, and all those things can really happen very quickly in this kind of cold weather that we're experiencing in the UK. And I'll caveat that it's probably not as cold as where some of you live, and you should definitely be doing that in those areas. So I've just been making sure my skin is healthy, my beard hair feels good, and I've also been experimenting with beard conditioner for the first time. Detroit Grooming Co. I've been experimenting with that, and that's made a significant difference. A ball hair brush or ball bristle brush. I've never used one of those to help distribute beard oil. Really enjoying that process. And I actually haven't trimmed the beard since November. I was going to say November. I think it's October, but it's going to be, well, it's in need of a bit of a trim, a bit of a tidy up. Just take some flyaways away, maybe just to level it out. I'm trying to keep a bit more of an even beard growth as we go forwards. And the mustache just needs a little bit of shaping, but I'm a little bit scared to do that, if I'm being honest. So I think I'm just going to leave the mustache and let it kind of go out of control. So they're the kind of things I've been doing to prepare my beard to grow out as well as possible, and I definitely advise you guys to do the same. Like as we're in this lockdown in the UK, I know it's different for other people in the world, it just seems like a good time to do this kind of thing. So enjoy the journey of me growing my beard out, at least probably until sort of April time. I don't know where we're sat now. Maybe in the next video we'll do something around like how to know if your beard growth is going well. Like you can measure it, see kind of how many inches. It's all about the inches and how big your beard's getting, as you all know. So I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.